Hi, so this is how you can use the whiteboard here in Canvas. So I am the presenter, okay? So you're gonna see I am like here squared. When you have students, they are circle. So, and that you have this little screen here, that means I am the presenter. This is called the default screen. So if you go here to upload presentation, if you want to go back to that screen, you always click here, the default screen. I can choose presentations, or I can come back to the default screen, or I can close because I haven't uploaded anything. So here, as we can see, it is a slide. So if you click on next, so then you have the whiteboard. And here are the tools that you can use. So if you click here, you can draw the text box and you can start typing. You can choose the size. Okay, so this is fine, or you can make it, enlarge it. This one, medium. You can also change the color. I'm going to make it green, or I'm going to make it blue, so you can change that. Okay, if you come here, this little hand helps you move your slide around. So if you zoom in, so then you can focus on something that you want. Then you can zoom out. So that's this little hand. To go back to writing, you click here and text. So you can draw lines. You can have shapes. And you can write. I'm not very good at this. But students kind of like it when they are able to do it. So if you want to write and if you're good at it, you can use it. Okay, so that's how I write. And I can undo annotation. So as I click here, things are undone. Or you can clear annotations. Okay, so if I come here and I type for PC, then I come here and I choose and I want to underline it. So I can underline, I can make some notes. So I go to the next slide and then I write back, and then I want to change colors, and then I want to use this. So the notes are still here. You can see I have here the things I added to this screen, and I can undo. So if I undo, it is in this slide, and I can clear. So, and when I clear, I'm clearing just in this slide. And I can come here and I have to I threw everything in the trash. Okay? And I can turn the multi-user whiteboard. So that means that everyone that all the students here, they have the ability to come and to write something. That's another way that your students can collaborate, draw together or something like this. Okay, so this is how you use the whiteboard and the big blue button. Thank you.